Good morning, students, and welcome to your English class. Today we are going through the exercise section of chapter The Royal Parrot. Now take your textbook page number 49. Match the following. There are some words given below in column A and column B. Now, after reading the chapter, you have to match these following words. First, what you have to do is, please read the chapter and you have to match the following words. Now take page number 50. Let's go through the grammar section. Let us learn about articles and see how an article changes with the sound that the word following it starts with. What are articles? Like adjectives, articles say something more about nouns. What is article? It says more about the noun. There are three articles: a, an, and the. Which are the three articles we are going to learn about? A, an, and the. A or an is used before singular countable nouns. We have already learned about nouns, right? Means naming words. What is a noun? Nouns are the naming words. Okay, now where we use a and an, we use it before singular countable nouns. The is used before common nouns to point out a particular person or thing. Where we use a or an, it is used before singular countable nouns. And where the is used, it is used before common nouns. Why we are using it? To point out a particular thing. It is used before uncountable nouns. Okay, a or an is used before singular countable nouns, and the is used before uncountable nouns. Okay, now let us see an example for this. For example, in the sentence, let us read the book. We are talking about a specific or a particular book. What we are talking about? We are talking about a book. So, what we use here? The. When we are talking about a specific or a particular thing or a person, what we use? The. Now we are talking about a specific book. So which article we are using here? The. But in the sentence, let's read a book. The noun book means any book rather than a specific or particular book. Here it means any of the book. It didn't mean a specific or a particular book. It means any book. When we are using the, it means a specific or a particular book. If you are using the article a, it means any book rather than specific or a particular book. Similarly, let us take the sentence, I just saw the most popular movie of the year. There are many movies, but only one particular movie is the most popular. Therefore, we use the. Here we have read a sentence, I just saw the most popular movie of the year. Now we are talking about a particular movie, which is the most popular movie of the year. So which article we are using here? The. Why? We are talking about a particular movie. One particular movie. There's only one particular movie. So we use the article the. We always use the before uncountable nouns. For example, the water is quite cold. Water is uncountable, right? Can we count water? No, it is uncountable. So, which article we are using before uncountable noun? It is the. Let us see the next example. I like to walk on the sand. Can we count sand? Can we count it? No, right? It is a uncountable noun. So which article we are using here? The. Okay, let us see the next one. Please pass me the salt. Can we count salt? No. So before an uncountable noun, which article we are using? The. Okay, now remember, using a or an depends upon the sound that the next word starts with. We have learned that a or an is used before singular countable nouns if the next word is starting with a vowel. Have you all learned vowels? Which are the vowels in English alphabets? There are 5 vowels in English alphabets. Which are they? A, E, I, O and U. So now if the next word before the next word which is starting with a vowel, if the word is starting with a vowel, which article we use? An. If the word starts with a consonant, do you know which is consonant? Which are the consonants? You have already learned which are the vowels: A, E, I, O and U, and all the other alphabets are called consonants. Now a singular noun is which is beginning with a consonant means the sounds other than A, E, I, O and U. If it is starting with a consonant, which article we are using before it? A. For example, a boy, a car, a bike, a zoo, a dog. Here, these all words start with a consonant. B, C, Z, D, all are consonants. Now let us see the next one. A singular noun beginning with a vowel. Here, elephant, egg, apple, idiot, ostrich. They are all starting with a vowel. E is a vowel. A is a vowel. I is a vowel. O is also a vowel. So, if the singular noun is beginning with a vowel, we use the article and before that. If the singular noun is beginning with a consonant, which article we use? We use A. Now see this. A plus singular noun beginning with a consonant sound. Here there is given an example. A user. Now this word is starting with a vowel. But what is the sound of this word first letter? What is the sound of the first letter? U. means E. So if the noun begins with a consonant sound, U is a consonant sound, right? So which article we are using? A. Like that, a university. Here also, which is the sound of the first letter? U. It is a consonant sound. So we are using the article A here. Now fill in the blanks with correct articles. There are 10 sentences given here. Now you have to fill in the blanks with the correct articles, whether it is a or an or the. Now you have to do it yourself. Okay? Vocabulary. You have already learned about antonyms or opposites. Now match the following words in column A with their antonyms in column B. Here there are some words given below in column A and column B. They are in column A. There are some words given. There are 5 words given here. And in column B, it's given the opposite words of column A. Now you have to match the following words with their opposites from column A to column B. Okay, now you have to do it yourself and send it to me through WhatsApp. Okay? Of words after your teacher. Focus on the sound made by the letter I. Observe how the sound of I is different in each pair. Here we are going to read the different sounds of the letter I. Let us see the first one. Lit, light, fit, fight, bit, bite, sit, sight, kit, kite, knit, night, wit, white. Here in each pair, the sound of letter I is different from the other word, right? Let me read once again. Lit. Here the sound of I is E. See the sound of I in the next word. Light. Here the sound is I. E, I. Okay, now you have to read it yourself. Now take page number 53. Look at the picture given below and write a few sentences in your notebook describing what you see in the picture. Remember to start every sentence with a capital letter and end with a full stop. Here is the picture below. What is the picture? It's a picture of the park. There are many children playing. A lot of children are there. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to write few sentences. On what? You have to write few sentences on what are the things you see in the picture. You can write whatever you see in the picture. You have to write at least 5 sentences. Okay, now remember, when you start a sentence you have to use a capital letter. You should start a sentence with a capital letter. You should always remember that, to start a sentence with a capital letter, and you have to end a sentence with a full stop. Now you have to do is write a few sentences on the picture what you see below. Okay, have you ever thought why sentences in a story are grouped into paragraphs? Every paragraph tells us about one particular idea. When we move on to the next idea, we must start a new paragraph. In a story, every time a new character comes in or the place or situation changes, we start a new paragraph. A group of sentences makes a paragraph. Do you know why it is grouped into paragraphs? In every paragraph, there will be something telling about a new character or a new idea. In one paragraph, it will be about something. The topic will be something, and the next paragraph will be about something else or about a new character. Like that, here is an example, or there is another story of Tenali Rama here. Now we have to read it and see how it is how it deals with the new situation. In each paragraph, it tells about something. It gives a new idea. Now, what you have to do is now read it yourself, and please try to understand how each paragraph is dealing with a new situation or how it gives a new idea to us. Okay, now please read it yourself and complete your notes. I will send you the question and answer section notes through the WhatsApp. You have to complete it and send it to me, okay? Thank you. That's all for your class today.